Guys, how to use AI to research keywords and write content in a one go, like this example, the article which I have written. Now let's just say you want to find keywords, right? So using this tool, you don't even have to research a keyword. So let's just go here, go into the SEMrush and find a keyword. So let me just find another keyword, which is, so we have got the ice cream near me, ice cream truck shop, and let me just find how to make homemade ice cream. So we have got this keyword, right? So let me take this and go into the URL, and here click on add SEO article here in the input. So if you go into the URL, but if you're choosing URL for the first time, go into the overview, and this is what you see in the homepage. Click on SEO article, and here enter your SEO keyword which you got. So let me just enter the keyword itself. Okay, how to make homemade ice cream. And you can also enter the title if you want, so I'll just let the AI to choose. Let me just enter my own title. Best way to make homemade ice cream. Click on add keyword, and here it's just gonna take me into the waiting list, and we have got the keyword right here. Click on generate article, and once you click on it, it will be generated in a minute. So let's just wait for it to generate. All right, we have got the article right here, and this is the article. So let's just take a look at it. Now, here everything is automated, including the conclusion, FAQs also search, and meta description, featured image, even including the keywords. If you ask me how it adds the keyword and how to add another keyword, so let's just go into the revision. So this is the AI SEO Writer. So let's just say I want to add ice cream. So if I open this keyword and go to the keyword overview, I want to add recipe for ice cream keyword. Okay, here in the beginning. So how to do that? So let me just click on this and click on add keywords, and here put here, click on add. That's it, simple as that. Now you don't have to do that, because manually raw fetches the latest keywords and updated trending keywords and sprinkle throughout the article. And we have got the images and also alt text for images to be ranked. You can also see the FAQs, which is good and also optimized with the FAQ schema if your WordPress is integrated. So all I have to do is go into the blog automation, go to the integrations, click on create integration, and upload the plugin to my WordPress, and that's it. The auto blogging starts. So by the way, like this video and subscribe and comment if you like this tool. There'll be a link in the description. You can check that out.